Hi guys, today it is Sunday the 12th of May and it's Mother's Day, so I'm gonna make pancakes for my mum.
What is that?
What are you doing, Baba?
Nothing.
Nag-vlog si Oli.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Happy Mother's Day, thank you.
Do you want your present?
My present? I got present?
Well, it's not real.
Well, a card.
A card. Ay, guys, tingnan nyo. Dito ako sa kwarto ni Holly. Tingnan mo naman. Tingnan. Zach! What's this? Try siguro siya mag-create ng ano, guys, ng puso.
Can they wait for everyone? Queen TJ's Mother's Day thing is on his computer.
Ah, on his computer. Okay, si Kuya din daw. Mayroon.
Can they wait for everyone?
Ah, cute naman nila. Thank you. Si John wala siya, guys. Ano siya, charter.
You won't wait. Don't wait.
I like it, Zach. A bit, crispy. Ah,
No, I did. It's a bit.
oh, that's nice.
But this one has a candle. But I don't know. I stuffed mine up.
What's that? A candle. Ayan.
No, like you light it up in there.
Ah, put it in here.
Yeah.
Oh, baby. Oh, thank you, Holly.
And it says best one
Okay,
ever.
well.
Read it.
Yeah, I will.
And there's stuff
What's that?
inside
You just put it
there.
here,
How do
Mary
you
Sean.
open it?
Let me. No, that's it. It's all right. You have just to.
And Mum, there's stuff inside of
Okay,
it
baby.
that I
No,
made.
it's meant to like blow out.
When you light it up.
Yeah.
So, gawa niya sa school. Gawa niya to sa school. Ayan. Pa Mother's Day ng aking mga anak, guys. Thank you. Thank you. This is nice. This is real.
You know Aileen?
Huh?
You know Aileen?
Eileen, yeah.
She did it with me.
Ah, she helped you.
No. She helped like everyone.
Everyone. Filipina siya, guys. na nasa school nila. Thank you! Where's my kiss?
I already did.
I wanna kiss you for... Thank you for the effort and for cooking.
I can't find mine.
Why?
Mine was on my computer, now I can't find it.
Why it's in the computer?
Because we had like 10 minutes to
Make it?
5 minutes to make it. I didn't get enough time to print it.
Ah,
And then
okay.
now I can't find it on my computer.
Alright.
Make a card for Mum
Ayan,
now.
so kay Kuya Do, hindi niya na
That's
mahanap.
mine.
This
And
is
it says, I
Holly.
love you, Mum. Best Mum.
May card siya.
And
I
it
love
says
you.
Best Happy Mother's Day,
Where's my
Mum.
kiss, Kuya?
Best
Yeah.
Best
Parang
Mom
siya, t-shirt,
ever.
Happy Mother's Day! I love you, best mom. Alam mo, ang ganda ng sulat ni Holly. Hindi nyo lang makita.
It's my writing.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I hope you have a great Mother's Day and I love you so, 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 so much. Thank you, Kuya. Lots of kisses
From Holly.
from Holly. Did you
And-
write yourself?
Yes. Oh, Mum.
Oh! May paganito pa siya.
It's alright.
Yeah.
And me
Isa
and
po
you.
siya, Papa.
And me and you.
Where? Oh, me and you. May pa-drawing
look
pa
on that
siya.
Look at the other side.
I love you, Mom. Oh, and then may pa, ano pa siya, tapos may pa-rainbow. Oh, you did a good job here, Baba.
Yeah, you can't wait to open that bit.
What's in here? Oh! Ay! Look at this!
I made it.
You painted this?
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice, Baba. And another...
No, it's Italian.
It's Italian. It's alright. It's Italian.
It's
May Italian subject kasi
yeah,
sila.
it's Italian. It says I know how to speak it. It says Happy Mother's Day, Mum.
Can you read
Happy
it?
Mother's Day.
Can you read it in Italian? Go.
From the start.
Yeah.
Buona festa della mamma. Happy Mother's Day, cara mamma, dear Mum. Ti amo.
Come here, I can't see you.
Honey.
Again.
Ah,
Ang cute niya ang cute niya magbasa, go.
Buona festa.
Louder.
Buona Festa della Mamma. Happy Mother's Day. Cara dear Mom. Te amo con tutto il cuore. I love you with all my heart. Amor, Holly, love you.
Oh, good job. Thank you. May pa-Italian pa talaga siya. Ah, cute. Marunong siya magbasa, magsulat ng nakasulat siya, guys. Oh, ay, hindi sulat na nakasulat na, hindi yung writing, hindi ko alam kung ganyan writing ng ng Italian. Pero yeah, nakasulat siya na Italian talagang word. Diploma. This diploma certifies that you have been recognized as the world best mom given by Holly.
All the things
Can I
I
make my own
need to do.
Tommy?
This is
Giving
all-
by Holly on the date of 12/5/2024.
Then this is watch me together with popcorn at night. We're gonna do that.
Ah, we're gonna do
And
that.
I'm gonna clean up.
You're gonna clean up.
And
Oh,
I'm
the
gonna
best.
wash it, and I'm gonna wash the dishes.
You wanna wash the dishes?
And
Cute na mga pa.
and one sleep in bed. That's for you.
Gawa ni Sakwa. Tinulungan daw siya ni ID.
The biggest hug ever.
Because ever. Thank
Hang
you.
on. And
Thank you, Baba. We have to
1 hour of silence.
1 hour of silence. Did you do that?
Breakfast in bed. We're already doing that.
Yeah, breakfast in bed and
1
eaten.
minute back rub.
Oh, back rub. Oh, I will love that one.
My help putting the washing away.
Putting the
Washing away. There's other things.
Oh, thank
I'll
you.
wash dishes after everyone finished breakfast.
Okay. Breakfast in
Ma.
bed, girl. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Pero late mo na ito mapapanood.
There's nothing
And sa lahat, Happy Mother's Day. Dito ako natulog sa kwarto ni Holly. No. Thank you.
And keep this forever, okay?
Yeah, I put this here. Thank you. Ang cute ng mga bata. Ah. Yan yung nakalagay sa isang listahan niya na maghuhugas siya. So, ayan, ginagawa niya nga. Baka maubusan tayo ng tubig at maputulan. Baba, that's too much water. Sampay si Kuya. Anong oras na ba? 12. Kumain sila yung tira namin na schnitzel kagabi. Ayan ako nagtutupi. Si Sak, nakapaglinis na siya dyan. Ayan. Inayos niya yung mga libro doon ni Holly. Ngayon, ayan siya nagpapahinga. At nanonood ng West Coast na game. So, yan yung ganap namin ngayong Mother's Day. And yeah, ako, yan nga, nagtutupi. So, may kanya-kanya kaming trabaho. And magpa-plan siya ng mga uniforms. Ayan. Si Daddy wala pa. Good afternoon na guys. 3:30 eksakto. Happy Mother's Day, Mama! Late mo ito mapapanood. At sa lahat ng nanay, Happy Mother's Day. Talo yung, di ba kanina, yung last vlog ko ay nung nagtutupi ako, tapos si Kuya nagsasampay, tapos si Sak nag-watch ng kanyang footy. Natalo sila. Ngayon, ayan yung magkapatid naglalaro. Si Jan nandito na rin, and meron daw silang nakuha mga isda. Ayan si Holly. Hawak niya ang phone ni Daddy. Yung dalawa. Dito. Oops. Ayan sila. Yung gift ni Daddy sa kanya. Alam nyo ba, wala na kayong maisip na pangregalo sa mga anak namin. Kasi feeling namin, meron na sila lahat. So, yung footy, yan yung wala si Sak, yung isa sa mabibili yung the best na footy ball. Iba yan doon sa mga lagi yung nakikita na binibili rin namin. Kasi eto, maganda at ang ganda raw ng leather na yan. Mabigat siya compared doon sa mga footy nila dati. Yan daw yung gamit ng mga professional. Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, go, Katya! Oh, ouch. Ay, malamig ang malamig. Uh-oh! Hala! Hala, nakaano sa kahoy. Alright. I'm cold, hurry up. Ayan yung footing isa.
What happened?
Oh, the ball went to the tree.
Did it?
Uh-huh. No, just shake it. Grab the branch, Sak, and shake it. Yes. Oh my God, come on. Go, Kuya. Hala kayo, nagkakalat kayo dyan. Hurry up.
Oh no! It's freezing pretty cold.
Almost. Hurry up, I'm cold. Nilalamig na ako. Oh my God. Just grab that branch, Kuya, and shake it. Ang kulit nito. Bala kayo yung pasok na ako. Okay, see ya. I told Dad. Ayaw, sabi ni Kuya, huwag daw akong maingat. Kasi kailangan nilang ingatan yan kasi medyo mahal yung bolang yan. One of the best yan sabi ni Jan, na makukuha niyo sa store. Bawal nga yan. Bawal yan dito sa labas pag hindi nila nilalaro. Dapat pinapasok nila yan sa loob after nila maglaro. Hindi tulad ng... Oh, wow! Hindi tulad ng yellow. Iniiwan lang nila dyan. Come on! I'm cold! Ha? Hindi ko naintindihan. We can't see you. Hurry up! Oh, well done. Okay. Winter na, may mga langaw pa. May langaw pa sa labas. Oh, lumig. Ano ako guys, nagluto akong sticky rice kasi gusto ko magchampurado. Ayan, magchampurado tayo. And sabi ni Johnny Boy, magti-take away ata kami for dinner. Hindi na kami pupunta sa restaurant, guys. Take away na lang kami. Naliligo na siya kasi di ba nag-fishing siya. Parang puti ko dito. Naninibago kasi ang gamit ko ngayon ay yung G7X, guys. Doon sa isa, yung DJI natin medyo may pagka-yellowish. Dito parang ang puti-puti ko. Naninibago ako dito. Kunin natin yung ating pagluluto ng champurrado. I feel better now. Tanggalin natin to. 2 cups lang to. 2 cups. Madami na to. Dinamihan ko para bukas meron tayong merienda. So, niluto ko na siya sa rice cooker kasi mas madali. Tapos lagyan ko lang siya ng tubig, yung cocoa powder, sugar, and chocolate. Naglalagay ako ng real chocolate. Kung anong meron kami dyan. Especially yung mga dark chocolate na hindi kinakain ng mga bata. Lagay natin ang mga yon. Sa cook me pancake. I had breakfast in bed. I'm lucky. Tapos binili pa yun ni Sak sa sa shop. Pumunta pa siya sa shop. Okay, lagyan natin to ng tubig. Sugar. Brown sugar yung ilalagay ko. Yung dark na dark. Okay. Hala, nagka-flash na naman ang ating battery. Etong nakakaasar niya. Ay! Ay! Ito masisira. Yeah, I'm okay. The camera is not. Nagka-flash. Yeah, okay guys. Yeah. Kain muna ako. Kasi yung last kong kain ay yung pancake. Eto, habang pinapakula natin dun yung ating gagawin champurrado. Wait. Tira ko to, hindi kahapon, nung isang araw. Ito yung jalapeno, yung tanging jalapeno. Hindi siya ganun kasarap. Mas masarap yung lemon. Tapos, ayan, mayroon tayong corn. And, ayan. Okay, kain muna ako, guys. Kuha tayo ng kutsara. Ayan. Yung mga bata, sabi ko sa inyo, diba? Nag-snitzel sila for lunch. And si Sak, dito pa yung niya. Nag-wrap siya yung parang quesadilla. Ginawa niyang ham and cheese quesadilla. And meron ko dito yung goat cheese na chives ang flavor. Mas gusto ko yung yung lemon. Masarap yung lemon na tuna kaysa dito. Ang cute nila. Naglalaro siya sa labas. Oh, careful! Naglalaro sila. Tapos na akong kumain, lagyan ko na ito ng...
I'm having so much fun.
You're having so much fun.
Because, and it's kind of painful for them. Because
Careful! Painful. Ayan,
painful.
yung to, crunchy. Tingnan natin. I-try natin ito. Kasi hindi naman nila kinakain. Kunti lang na, may crunch to, guys. Parang may, yeah. Ilagay natin yan dito. Para makain at di masayang. Diba? Chocolate. Lagyan ko pa
I
ito
want
ng...
those Kit Kat ones.
Kit Kat?
You tried the Kit Kat egg, it was so good.
Yeah, not here.
Because, Mum, they took a ball. I get it. They tried to chase me.
The ball?
Yeah, no, me. I
Lagyan ko pa
got the
ng
ball.
kasing tubig. Kasi natutuyo na siya. Okay. Ano nyo ba guys? So, hindi nyo naman nakikita yung ating niluluto. So, tayo ng cocoa. Where's my cocoa? Ang cocoa ang gagamitin natin from Coles. From Coles. Brand ng Coles. So, tansya-tansya lang ako guys. Tunawin ko muna siya dito sa tubig. Dapat mainit pero okay na yan. Tapos brown sugar. Pwede naman white pero si Holy, bahala ka dyan, baba. Pinagkakagulan siya ng mga boys. Hindi ko na siya masyadong tinunong kasi ito mainit naman ito. Ito na lang. Okay. Mukhang champurado na siya. Tapos dagdagan nyo na lang ng dagdagan kung gusto nyo pa. Hala. Diba? Ay, ayun yung light brown sugar ko hindi ko abot. Palit lang tayo ng butter kasi nalobat. Ito, ilagay ko dark chocolate. Meron pang dark chocolate dito. Hindi itong crunchy na to. Ito mga eggs. Ayan. May ganito tayo yung lint na dark. Lagay din natin yan. So, meron tayong 4. 1. Pandagdag. 2, 3, 4. Pero hindi sayang yung chocolate, guys. Diba? Titikman ko na lang ito mamaya kung okay na yung tamis niya. Champurado na siya. Palitin natin ito. Palit natin itong bago. Malapit na to guys. Ito yung aming dessert mamaya. Itong handa ko for Mother's Day. Champurado. Gusto nila yung white chocolate din. Yun, naglalagay talaga ako doon na purong chocolate na white. Okay. Kaya lang natin siya.
Oh my god, Pam, that's my name.
Right here. Ayan naman siya sa amoy-amoy.
Oh, chamoy.
Anong chamoy?
No, it's okay. It's salty.
Salty? No, because that's the... Yung ginamit ko kasi yung sugar, yung spoon. A bit salty. What is salty?
Good. We need cream with it.
Diba? Cream na naman. I have the evaporated milk.
Oh, condensed.
Evap. Yun na siya, guys. Hindi ko siya masyadong tinamisan. Yung tama lang. Ayaw yung sobrang tamis. Tapos, meron ako dito. So, ito guys, meron akong tuyo. Masarap tong tuyo, guys, ni Green Food.
Oh,
Wala siyang tinik. Ha? Oh, Daddy will get it. Tatanong na sila ng tea. Kasi malapit. Anong oras na? 4:30 na. Bilis ng oras. 4:30. Okay. Magtayos lang tayo dito. Ay, dito si Jan Ibo. Wanna try Bible?
Oh.
Dad, I might not
Diane.
get her again.
Huh?
I think I hit her again. I was at the trampoline.
Tall.
Here, hot, honey, hot.
On.
Hot.
I don't know what's wrong with
Huh?
these.
Yeah.
So I'm at the trampoline and I go like this.
Pizza kami tonight. Pero busog na ako, guys. Yung kinain kong kanina, yung may corn, tuna, and Ano pa ba yun?
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands, Saki. And si Kuya, pasta. Carbonara sa kanya. So, yan yung aming Mother's Day. Si John Olsi. Ako magchampurado na ako mamaya. Hugas lang si Kuya ng kamay.
What's the light?
Hot.
Hot.
Oh, no. Must be hot on the bottom.
Come on, Holly girl.
What are you having, Bob?
You want some carbonara? Get a little bowl.
It's the garlic bread there. I don't like the garlic bread. It's a bit spicy.
Nothing wrong with garlic bread, mate.
Tapos na si Sakin, si Holly. Gusto niya nang magchampurado.
Guys, we're going to the Philippines soon.
We're going on
June.
next month.
June 1st. Isn't it?
No,
No.
middle of June. Middle of June. Yeah, middle of June. Kami uuwi. So, see you soon, Mama and Papa and my siblings. Say, see you, Lola and
See you, Lola
And?
Papa.
Papa. See you soon. And Sandro.
And Sandra and Chloe.
And Tito Clay. Where's your bowl? Yes.
There's sometimes I get it.
Palapit ng kalapit. Where's the, sa,
Right now, I have to. You know
Huh?
what I do? I always think. I always use something. So,
Are you excited, Sa?
yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
This is gonna seal Mum.
What's that? Is this enough?
Yep. I feel like it's gonna.
Ako na. Tell me when to stop. Like it's not.
Yep.
Oh. So, parang gusto ko rin kumain niya. Hindi lang po. Can you get me one, please? Yeah.
Oh, did I just
Magtuyo
score?
ako din.
Eh?
Oh, that's a good one.
Why this one? Can I get the... Sino mo, pambata?
Okay. I'll try. Good, but what's the later?
Ano? Good? With that...
Texas not even competing.
Nag,
Like,
may naglalaro ulit ng footy. Crows. Adelaide Crows versus what's that?
Brisbane Lions.
Brisbane. Ooh. Try muna natin siyang walang tuyo. I like this one. Are you gonna have now?
I
Huh?
like
Huh?
white better.
Now? Can you get daddy a
I like
bowl?
white better.
Gusto nila yung chocolate din. Stop, get daddy a bowl, please. The breakable one, please. Not the plastic.
Zachary. It's enough.
Oh, Brisbane's winning.
Bye-bye. Honey.
Oh, Fogarty, John Fogarty.
Who's that for?
Joke.
Where's mine?
No, I've got one.
Oh!
Si Kuya hindi siya mahilig dito. You don't like this one, right? Yeah? Sometimes.
No.
Why would you have a shot?
You're up. Mainit-init pa. Ganang have to you.
Yuck. I don't want yuck in that.
But you like tuyo in the rice.
No. Not from like. Road player.
Not for this, but you like it for your rice. Ang sarap nito, guys. Kasi wala siyang tinik.
I just made a point.
I'm done. I want it to be a draw.
tuyo. Kumakain din ba kayong champurado may tuyo? Tapos na kami ni Jan kumain ng champurado. And si baby girl naman. Si Sak tapos na din.
Guys, I can't wait to go to the Philippines because I can't wait to see Lola and Papa.
And Sandro.
And Sandra. Yeah. And I can't wait to go on the airplane. I forgot what it's like on land.
You were
I was
baby.
only a little baby.
That's right.
Was I 0 or 1?
Yeah.
I'm done.
Now you finish it? Guys, anong oras na tayo si Zach?
9:04.
9:04 and dito ako guys nagpapak. Meron akong napak. Ayan. And dyan. So hindi pa ako tapos. Tapusin ko to para bukas pag nagbayad sila tonight. And bukas ang shipping. So we're gonna end our vlog na guys. Thank you.
Please like, please subscribe. Haven't yet seen the next vlog. Bye.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day
Happy
guys.
Mom.
Love you. Good night. Love you. Good night guys.
Because I think I do want you next to me.